God 10 commandments you a keep. That's why you worship and you praise him will live. Cause Satan wolves disguised like sheep. Say them want eat off the milk. Weeping and moaning, knocking of teeth. Satan supporters were making it wait. Well, I'm not dust no war from yesterday. Fears and the cage, things that go certain way. Them up the black people, them no get no pay. And when me talk, me black rod don't get straight. We only see politicians on the election day. When them come, I'm alive is looking nice and ratchet. Rootsman before them see God, them seek the devil. That's why some lives so miserable. Rootman say his job and not the devil. He make this world be comfortable before some see God. Them see the devil. That's why them lives so
Stallion! Yo! We see them come with them battalion. Bible in my hand. Jane and Finch tea that the whole entire 6. Missing Rootsman, the Lord is your light, yourself, the raggy. Stallion! Yo, we see them come with them battalion. Bible in my hand. Jane and Finch tea that the whole entire 6. Missing Rootsman, the Lord is your light, your salvation. That's why you no fear, no little jump on. You walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Fear no evil, fear no one. The Lord is with light and with salvation. Rootsman go tell them, I one day that some jump on would say that them want to go church. Ready if he go see Father God, that's when he say them quit all the
Rootsman sound. Sound, I wanna tell you something. For real, it's no skin teeth thing. From your outside appearance, your box looking nice, but I wanna know within. Are you planning to settle down or forever be a clown? You're playing this and playing that. You flip up and now you flop. But oh, the Rootsman will show you how we kill. Oh, we kill off some jump on sound. And oh, the Rootsman ain't like the rest. The Rootsman is a real. Oh,
oh, na 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 na. Oh, some boy, na 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 na. Look here. I we born and I go stay. And no sound boy can run me away. Hey, you men with your old timpan sound, yes, I wear you and you jump and I go play. In the lawn, we be like a sound. Rootsman sound can never fade away. Oh, na, 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 na. I know Jah, always it high. Sound boy, yes, I wear you I go play. Are you ready when I'm ready? Yes, I'm ready when you're ready. Pick up, wound another sound boy. Are you ready when I'm ready? Yes, I'm ready when you're ready. Pick up, wound another sound boy. I'm in the sticking face. Cough, how them man? Nobody know them. Hey, whoa, Rootsman Proverbs. Hey, watch it. This is the songs of the Rootsman Proverbs. Hey, hold up, let reports on fossil belly. No, whoa, whoa. Don't ask me that ask for the ranger and him posse. From down in the city, Rootsman step on them corn. Never tell them sorry, no fucking sorry. Ranger, you step on them corn. Now go tell them sorry. No, whoa. Hey, you think as a Rootsman get him shown? Them in a country sit down on stone. Work very hard, work very hard. Hey, hey, hey. This is the songs of the Rootsman Proverbs. Boy, hold up, let report some fossil belly. No, whoa, whoa. Don't ask me that.
No, they can't play Rootsman sound. No way, no. Anything that you can do, Rootsman can do it better. Him are the roughest, a Rootsman are the toughest. Yeah. Rootsman can play it better. Dancehall ruler, Rootsman, dancehall ruler. Yeah, Rootsman can.
Rootsman, an international sound.
Audio check 1 3. So we can get the clarity going good.
Well, how would you feel if you're coming on the dance and you saw a big M16 has a lot to jaw? Feel like you want to disappear, but you can't.
Which is right.
Man, a Rootsman, I'm on no trust me, Salah. Rootsman, we done your face straw. What would you say if you're coming on the dance and you're red? Yeah, your advice say punk, no move, else you're dead. And when you take a look for say you're old from far, a Rootsman where you want them a war.
Check.
No, yeah, Germany, Canada, we just kill another.
There's a problem in here.
But the sound this, nobody can tell me nothing about buck.
Problem in here.
No worry about them sound, the way chop out I throw the pussy up. No,
Problem.
No, yeah, Germany, Canada, we just kill another.
Check.
Buckler.
Problem.
But the sound this, nobody can tell me nothing about buckler. No worry about them sound, the way chop out I throw the pussy up bit. And the reason why him dead I shoot. No afraid I know. No, yeah, Germany, Canada, we just kill another.
Check. Yo.
But the sound this, nobody can tell me nothing.
Problem. Yo.
No worry about them sound, the way chop out I throw the pussy a bit. And the reason why him dead I throw him violate. We in a all white, everything alright. A gunshot the pussy I get all night.
Cause I have a peace, Ranger say, my beer, Canada. Ranger, go to change. Hey, Dave boy watching on jigs, watching around the killer, aim a shot man. Hey, Rootman, so when we lift it on it, rise and beat. Boom, big thing a cloud pan street. Boom, Rootman boss it, not the enemy retreat. Bam, boom, step out in them face now. We run the place now, yeah. Them get we mad. Work them say them bad. We chop them over Baghdad. We step out to make a chat. Yeah, so we bust them that bag. Some a hurry, some a tad. Some boy a beat, some a gun bag. Rootman, say we wave with guns. I like a flag. January to August, we rise with our bus. September right to December, kill a ride out the war bus. Don't know how we start us, them should have rat us. We have the artillery and apparatus. Boy, violate, for the buff. Bush like them a ride as I was. Rootman make us. The whole place light up like this. Say when it rise and beat. Boom, big double clad pan street. Boom, kill a bus and make the enemy retreat. Boom, step out in them face now. Yeah, man, no. Ranger, yo, we are the lethal weapon like Nanny Glover. Left body a gun and what spirit a hover. When this clap it louder than the rest of power, with switch now with the 2-part cover. Cross me part, me send sun straight back in and them rest in place. Shop with the thing them just in case blue still kill and use and bust them face. Man,
I was young. A la la. And this is Rootsman sound. It's all because of you. A sound of boy, you make the fans feel blue. You shouldn't play against the Rootsman sound. The crowd loving so, how much you'll never know. You shouldn't challenge the champion sound. La 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 la, untouchable memories seems to keep haunting me. Our sound is true. Once again, turn my gray skies blue. But you disappear, and now my eyes are filled with tears. You shouldn't challenge the champion sound.
Even carry extra toothbrush with toothpaste. I told the murderous way.
Zion, we go.
Hey, let it loose. Hey, start it, no slug it ranks.
So we start to get to you.
World.
Progressive sound must try. I have killed them with positive vibes. Rootsman sound must try. I have. It's nothing but cultural style. Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back. Rootsman sound, you done bust. Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back. Rootsman sound, you done bust.
Sing now. Just remember everything I told you. Me not sorry for the pain my sound cost you. Rootsman sound is here, but man we are playing. Everybody keep on telling them lies. They don't know what's stallion.
Give thanks to the mighty God for all it is. No matter what somewhere, child. Good over evil. Rootsman sound. Yes, I climb in the mountain, swinging the deepest sea. searching for my sound. It's the Rootsman sound to play for me. Is it taking so long for sound to pack and go home? When we learn the test of Rootsman and get burned. Cause Rootsman chats to them all when he gets his turn. We never lose, cause it's the Father's road we choose. Those sounds may come around, Rootsman sound will show them. Alright, it was a crowded night, a night like this, when I walked into the dance hall. When I listened to the music played for me, played by Rootsman sound. As the music touched down in the lawn, brought tears to a soundboy's face, I said to myself that I must rise and tell the human race. Cause I know Rootsman sound was made to serve God, and forever we rule all over. Yeah, Rootsman sound.
Oh, a Rootsman I play. Oh, bye, 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 bye. Sound boy, don't boast and the Rootsman sound. It won't reach nowhere, boy. No idiot don't play sound, boy. When a ranger I play, just check out the champion sound. Prince Theos now the A1 sound. Oh, bye, bye, bye. We not take no disrespect from no idiot sound, boy. We are gonna murder you sound, yeah. A sound boy now your own blood, I go down.
Rootsman gonna kill sound. Hi, hi. Rootsman gonna kill sound. You need to play no more. Rootsman gonna kill sound. You need to play no more. Yeah, me asking now. Sound boys like a wandering sheep in their sound. We no want to love him, and we no want to care for him. But Rootsman him kill your sound. Rootsman gonna throw you down. Rootsman gonna kill sound. You need to play no more.
Hello to them from West, obsessed. Look out, oh baby, alright, no good Rootsman. Legalize it. Please don't criticize it. Oh no. So legalize it. Yes, and Rootsman will advertise it. Oh,
this is not a thought. You're clashing with the Rootsman sound. This is not a thought. You little sound boy, it's not your time to play. Lock off your sound boy and let the Rootsman play, cause he will butt you. Does you little sound boy? We gonna cook for lot of sound boys. The Rootsman cook for lot of sound boys. And let me tell ya, you little sound boy, it's not your time to play. Lock off your sound boy and let the champion play, cause he will dust you, cut you, little sound boy. We gonna.
Who can come and test me? God, they must think we easy. A Rootsman again. And them no friend. Chop. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy, boy. Hey, son, boy, one go right you will. Cause tonight, Rootsman ain't come fi kill. We shot him round the back, we shot him up front. And hey, son, boy, you better line up for your pants. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. Akradabradam, Rootsman is a champion. Lick a sound boy, no matter where them come from. I don't know what to them.
Back up, sound boy. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. sound, then we're gonna kill another. Hey, when Rootsman play, every sound run away now, 'cause it hurt them so now. Hurt that thing by